Hello everyone, my name is Chirag Lohia and I am in Group 8. The topic of our today's presentation is how Uber uses AI to transform ride hailing operations. I am starting us off with an overview of the business program, the problem, and the context behind Uber and its use of artificial intelligence. Uber operates in a fast moving environment where demand constantly changes. At peak hours, whether it's weekend, during unexpected situations like whether it's a football match, a music concert, or heavy rainfall, millions of people try to book rides at the same time. One of the Uber's biggest challenge has always been matching drivers and riders quickly and fairly while keeping prices competitive. Another issue Uber faced early on was inefficient routing. Drivers were wasting time stuck in traffic, taking longer routes, which also increased their operational cost. The company also needed a reliable way to predict demand ahead of time so they could position drivers in the right place. So, the deal with all these challenges demand, forecasting, routing, pricing, safety Uber decided to integrate an AI and digital management tool deeply in their platform. In this presentation, we will show how these tools work, what are their impacts on their performance, ethical considerations that come with them. Talking about AI and digital tools, Uber uses behind their scenes is Uber relies on several advanced systems, but three of them, the most important ones, are machine learning for dynamic pricing, which is also surge pricing. Uber uses algorithms that constantly analyze real-time data like location, time of delay, weather, local events, which helps them to adjust their prices. This helps ensure there are enough drivers available when demand increases. The system updates every few minutes, making it extremely uh, responsive and accurate. Second is AI powered routing and ETA predictions. Uber uses a tool called Uber Maps, which is built using deep learning. It predicts traffic conditions, calculates the quickest route, and updates estimated arrival time. The system learns from billions of past trips, which makes it more predictive, more accurate over time. Drivers rider matching system. This third tool is the system where the system automatically matches drivers and riders based on distance, traffic, driver ratings, and make the whole platform more efficient. These tool, all these tools work together to make the Uber experience much more better, smooth, even for customer and the driver. Next, I would like my colleague, who would explain the impact of the tools on performance and innovations. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sweta Jakia Begum, and I will focus on the impact these technologies have had on Uber's performance and innovation. First, AI has significantly improved operational efficiency. Routing algorithms have reduced average driver idle time and improved fuel efficiency. This directly increases earnings for drivers and reduces frustrations for riders. Strengthen decision making with data driven insights for dispatching, city planning, and peak hour allocation. Second of all, AI allows Uber to predict demand more accurately. For example, before big events like concerts or football matches, Uber system already knows when demand will spike. This help them make faster decisions about allocating drivers and adjusting pricing. Thirdly, AI has made Uber more innovative features like Uber Pool rely on completely on AI to match riders heading in the same direction. Without intelligent route optimization, shared rides would be almost impossible to manage. Finally, AI based decision making gives managers real-time dashboards that shows traffic patterns, major events, and rider behavior. This means they spot issues early, such as shortages of drivers in certain areas. Overall, AI has helped Uber grow into one of the world's most efficient mobility platforms. Now, I will hand over to the next speaker to discuss the ethical, legal, and societal side of this.
Hello, I'm Hamim Bint Shafiq and I'll cover the ethical, legal and societal implications of Uber's use of AI. One major ethical issue is surge pricing. While it ensures availability, many people feel it is unfair, especially during emergencies. Uber has been criticized for pricing spikes during natural disasters or public transport strikes. Another concern is algorithmic transparency. Neither drivers nor riders fully understand how pricing, matching, or deactivation decisions are made. Drivers sometimes feel the system is biased or unpredictable. There is also the issue of data privacy. Uber collects a huge amount of data: location, travel patterns, behavioral data, and there is ongoing pressure on the company to ensure it is stored securely and used responsibly. From a societal perspective, the heavy reliance on AI can create a sense of dehumanization. Drivers often feel like they are working for an algorithm rather than for a human organization. This can affect motivation and well-being. Finally, legal regulations vary across countries, which makes it challenging for Uber to maintain a consistent AI strategy while following local laws. These issues remind us that while AI brings many improvements, it must be used responsibly. Now our final speaker will lead the group's reflection.
I'm Rinti Boito and I will wrap up with our group reflection. Working on this project has helped all of us understand just how deeply AI is woven into modern business operations. Before this, many of us only saw Uber as a simple ride booking app. But researching it showed us how complex the technology actually is, from predictive algorithms to real time decision systems. As a team, we learned the importance of balancing innovation with ethical responsibility. We often discussed whether certain features like search pricing help society or create problems. These conversations helped us appreciate how important ethical judgment is when developing digital tools. And we also faced a few challenges as a group, like coordinating schedules and dividing the work equally took some effort. But regular meeting and open communication helped us resolve everything very smoothly. Each member contributed different strengths. Some focused on the technical side, others on ethical or visuals, so the collaboration felt balanced. Overall, the project has given us a clearer understanding of AI role in business and helped us develop stronger teamwork, research, and presentation skills. Now I will talk about conclusion and key insights. Uber uses AI to improve pricing, routing, safety, and operations. This increases efficiency, enhances customer experience, and also supports innovation, while responsible data governance remains important. Finally, these are the Harvard reference of our group presentation. That's all of my part. Thank you.